Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machine. Today we are going to do a test shot on an Expobar. This espresso machine came in with intermittent over-pressurizing problems. We replaced the pressure stat, the safety switch on the tank, as well as the vacuum breaker. We're going to go ahead and see how a shot comes out. We also took this opportunity to adjust the new pressure stat as well as the expansion valve. So we should be coming right up here at 9, 10 bars. There we go. Great. It's a little tight. It is some test coffee. We'll let that just kind of roll through. It'll get out there eventually. While that's happening, we're going to go ahead and check the steam. We'll give it a quick little purge. See some nice strong steam. Look at that. Here we go. We'll check some water. There we go. Great. Asking for water. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this shot a little short. Show you the crema. Also show the flow out of the group head. Nice gathering in the middle. Well, there you have it. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like our page. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines.